Hey guys, Portia here, and I am excited today. I just received the brand new Loklik iCraft cutting machine in the mail, and I figured I would share with you all the unboxing. So we'll take a first look at it together, and then we'll go ahead and do our first cut, and I will share my thoughts with you all. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, we are all set up and ready to go. I've installed our little cubby over there for the tools. I put the brand new blade in there. It came with two. I have also downloaded the software, which is called the Loklik Idea Studio. Now in the software, I was able to find an image, and what we're going to do is just go ahead and make it. From there, we're going to select our standard cut, and we're going to group everything together. Our material type is going to be the pattern heat transfer vinyl, so that's the one that came in the package. And from there, we're going to say add to task, and we are going to go ahead and load our mat. And we're going to go ahead and say start. Okay, we can unload now. All right, the cuts look pretty clean. I don't know if you guys can see this, but let's go ahead and weed it. Okay guys, so I'm ready to share with you all my first experience with the Loklik iCraft. I do have my notes here, so if I keep looking to the side, that's what I'm doing. So first off, I want to say that it was pretty straightforward to get out the box, set up, all that good stuff, which was pretty dope. Who wants something that's complicated to set up and not quick to get started? So I do think it's a good machine for like crafters, small business owners, hobbyists, all that good stuff. So it is going to meet you wherever you are. It's going to meet you at your level. Now I will say, taking it out the box, one of the first things I noticed is how light it was, and then also it has like a slender profile, so it does not take up a lot of space. And also I like the color, so it does come in like I think 3 different colors. The color I ended up with was the lavender one, and if you guys haven't guessed, like purple, shades of purple is one of my faves. So I really did like that was totally an option. Once again, the setup was very user-friendly, and I did also like the storage compartment that comes like attached to the side, so you put your blades in there, your tools, all that good stuff. I want to say my first cut was precise. I did purposely pick a symmetrical design because I wanted to ensure that both sides were the same. And I really do like butterflies. So when I saw that design in the design library, I'm like, okay, let's do this one. And the machine cut perfectly the first time. I didn't have to make any adjustments. All I did was picked out the particular material I was using, and it was able to cut through, and the weeding was like butter. So I appreciated the consistency of the cut throughout the design. So overall, I do believe that the Loklik iCraft is a good machine. Again, it is lightweight. I like the color selection. I also like the price point, and I like that it is user friendly. This is something that I do believe is worth investing in, and we know the holidays are coming up as well. So if it's you and you want a new machine, or you know someone that would love to get into being able to have a cutting machine and, you know, do HTV and all that good stuff and cut out different designs, I do believe that it would be the right fit for them. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you all my experience with the Loklik iCraft. There will be a link in the description if you guys are interested. If you have any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful, can you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? And guys, remember, stay colorful, stay creative, and always find joy in the little things you do. Until next time, peace.